model kit review. So the model I've completed is the Me-163 Komet. It's one of the first jet-powered or rocket-powered planes actually. And this plane was fueled on the ground with rocket fuel. It had a rocket engine which would shoot out the back. Once you turn it on, you could not turn it off. Its goal was to shoot up to about 30,000 feet. This is during World War II by the Germans. And they would then glide down. They did have guns, as you can see. I've drilled out those holes there, and we'd be able to shoot at planes as they were coming by. They had a little dynamo on the front here with this propeller that would help to generate electricity for the instruments. And then at the end, when they came down to land, these wheels actually fell off as they took off. This little ski would pop down and they would land on the ski. The model was actually relatively simple. It didn't come with instructions, I think because it's such an old model that had been lost. But it was a really easy model to build, and I tried to get some of the different types of pre-shading done to show off the instrument, the panel lines. And here we have our little antenna, and here's the underside. You can actually have these as the flaps down, which I've done, and you can see here this is almost all of it is raised panel lines, some of it's recessed. All in all, it's a fairly simple model to build, not a huge amount of parts, but it ends up with a fun little model.